Hello everyone, welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. Now in this tutorial I will show you how to reduce echo in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a very simple tutorial, so let's get started. So as you can see right here we have our audio track. Now let's listen to the audio track. These are basically people talking in one small room. Now let's play it. So as you can see, there is a lot of going on, right? A lot of reverb as well, a lot of echo as well. Now, first of all, what we can do is we can go to our audio track right here. If you cannot see it, go to Window, and here it should say audio. If you do not have it, then it should be right here on the right side. So go to the audio section, and then here, as you can see, we have dialogue, right? So we have dialogue, and here what we can do is first, we can try to play around with these three settings. So let's play it right here. So as you can see, this already removes a lot of the reverb or a lot of the noise. But what we can also do additionally is we can click reduce reverb right here. So let's play it again. So as you can see, obviously this audio is not really a perfect example for it, but still it reduces reverb, and then you can play around with it. And keep in mind, if you reduce reverb, it will also reduce the sound, not quality, but I would say the sound in itself, right? The decibels of the sound. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.